Hi, this is Era, and in today's video, we will be making, well, tapos na, kita niyo na rin naman, carrot muffin ala Tim Hortons. So, nag-crave kasi si Mama sa Tim Hortons na naman. So, gumawa naman tayo ngayon ng carrot muffin. If you haven't checked, gumawa din ako ng blueberry and chocolate muffin. Ililink ko siya sa description. Pero ngayon, gagawa tayo ng carrot muffin. This is really quick and really easy. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng mixer, ng mga heavy equipment. Magagawa nyo to kahit pa baguhan kayo sa baking. So, I'll be sharing with you the recipe, procedure, also packaging ideas. Ito, ililink ko to sa description if naghahanap kayo. Yes. And also, yung costing na rin kung babalakin nyo siyang gawing negosyo. So, make sure to like and subscribe on my channel, Air's Journey, for more negosyo recipes. And also, you can follow my Facebook and Instagram for updates. Okay, let's begin.
So for our carrot cake muffin, this is gonna be quick and easy. First, pagsama-samahin muna natin yung ating mga dry ingredients. 2 cups or 240 grams ng all-purpose flour. This is sifted. Add 1.5 teaspoon ng baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking soda. And 1/2 teaspoon ng salt. After that, add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I'm going back there hopefully where it's warm. Mix and set it aside. Yeah, it's warmer. For our wet ingredients, add in 3 large eggs. Beat it. Front I see a checker flag. Too busy checking back, I always see a checker past. And every check I spend is one that's meant to last. And then add in 3/4 cup ng brown sugar para mag-add ng moisture sa ating muffin. I got both feet in the door and I ain't stepping back. I already wiped my shoes up on the welcome mat. And 3/4 cup ng white sugar. But they like welcome back. You're welcome back. And I don't really know who I am. None of this is going to plan right, but that's okay. And then add in 3/4 cup ng vegetable oil. Think I'm finally on my way, yeah. 1/3 cup ng evaporated milk or fresh milk. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pag well combined na ang ating wet ingredients, pwede na nating isama yung ating dry mixture. Add the dry mixture gradually and then mix. Do not overmix this kasi titigas yung ating muffin pag binik. Brew of all kinds of things, the mountain sunk hills, sky color schemes. Makes you... After that, add in 2 cups ng grated carrots. Pwede din kayo maglagay ng nuts sa batter. You can add walnut, pecans, almonds, or peanuts, kahit ano. Pero ang meron ako dito ay almond. Kaso, konti na lang siya. So, ilalagay ko na lang siya sa toppings later. For our muffin pan, lagyan na natin ng Tulip paper liner. Kung wala kayo nito, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng baking cup liner. 2 ounce, 3 ounce, depende sa inyo kung anong gusto nyong laki. And by the way, itong ginagamit ko ngayon, nabili ko siya sa Shopee. I'll be putting it sa description para makita nyo. I-pour na natin sa ating liner, 3/4 lang, wag sobrang puno kasi aalsa pa to later pag binake natin. And then for our toppings, add in your almond nut. This is roasted na, by the way. Also, kinarush ko na rin siya, so this is 1/4 cup. That was dang. In the middle of that. We're almost there, guys. My favorite type of NC is latency. Hazy. Also, yung ating oven, na-preheat ko na siya ng 220 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes bago natin ilagay yung muffin. And so, paglagay natin, bake natin for about 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After that, i-lower natin yung heat ng 180 degrees Celsius and then i-bake ulit natin for about 20 minutes. In total, na-bake ko siya for about 30 minutes. Pero depende yan sa laki ng oven nyo and also sa size ng muffin na gagawin nyo. After ma-bake, hayaan lang natin siyang lumamig bago natin i-transfer sa mga box or sa lalagyanan if ever man ibebenta nyo siya.
I just wanna complain. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and
So, yung lalagyan na nagamit ko dito, binili ko to sa Shopee. So, you guys can check the link again sa description para sa lalagyan na to. Halos same lang din naman siya doon sa ginamit ko, doon sa blueberry muffin, tsaka sa chocolate chip muffin. Guys, if you haven't checked that video out, lalagay ko na siya sa description para makita nyo.
yeah, oh, yeah. Everyone's invited to this pity party in my head.
And here's our carrot cake muffin ready to be served.
And I want to, but nobody's listening. So I'll just start away instead.
So, nandito na tayo sa part ng costing. Paalala lang yung costing ko na base po to sa time, date, and location ng mga pinagbilhan ko. Maaaring maiba to sa'yo. This is just an example. For our carrot cake muffin, in total, 8 na piraso na gawa natin. Shelf life niya is 1 to 2 days ng room temperature. Or, pag nilagay nyo sa ref, tatagal siya ng 1 linggo. Now, kung meron kayong physical store, mas maganda kung 24 hours nyo lang siyang ibebenta. For our ingredients, ang magiging costing natin sa 8 na piraso ay 126.56 pesos. Pero syempre, kung gagawin nyo siyang negosyo, mas maganda kung maramihan. Kasi unang-una, sayang sa electricity or sa gas kung may malaki kayong oven, tas 8 na piraso lang gagawin nyo. And also, baka kung tuusin ko tong 8 na piraso to, mapunta lang lahat sa labor costs yung ating magiging kita. Anyway, sabihin na natin 24 na carrot cake muffin yung gagawin natin or 4 na box. Ita times 3 lang natin yon yung ingredients, magiging 379.68 pesos. Other expenses ay 115 pesos. And then yung total puhunan niya ay 494.68 pesos. So, kung nagbabalak kayo mag-start ng sideline or mag-online selling or magbenta, and nagsisimula pa lang kayo sa baking, ito isa sa mga marirecommend ko kasi sobrang dali lang niya and at the same time, sobrang mura pa. As you can see, sa 24 na carrot cake muffin, hindi pa lalagpas ng 500 pesos yung magiging puhunan nyo sa business na to. Ang puhunan nyo, each box ay 123.67 pesos. Pwede nyo siyang ibenta ng 250 pesos per box. So, kung mabenta nyo yung 4 na box na to, meron kayong 1,000 pesos na kita, and then yung tubo nyo doon ay 505.32 pesos. Ngayon, kung magtuloy-tuloy to at maging consistent kayo na makabenta na 4 na box sa isang buwan, meron kayong 15,159.60 pesos na tubo in a month.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something new. And ito, ibigay ko na to kay mama. Oh, diba? Ay! Ibigay ko na to sa kanya with the spoon. Cute, diba? Nabili ko rin siya sa Shopee. Oh my gosh, parang lahat ng items na nandito puro Shopee ah. Well, anyway, thank you for following me. Thank you for, naging dedication boot na to. Ano bang outro ko? Ayun, thank you for, That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new and God bless everyone. Bye! Uy!